How's that going?
Great. This is disgusting. I think I'll invite Mike Rowe over here. Girls have dirty jobs too.
Looks like you got your hands all up in a hog's ass.
Pretty much how it feels, only there's rocks and stuff in here, so I'm like slicing my hand open while I do this. The good news is I found our pipe.
Nice. Yeah, I thought it crossed over there.
Well, had the tarp been left down here like I put on here, would have been a non-issue, but now it's filled up with 8 inches of mud.
That's nice.
So, you know, there was really no getting around this. I'm hoping it's like good for you.
Looks like it's exfoliating.
I'm exfoliating, just this arm though.
Is that the right word?
Sure. Oh my God. And there's ants in here, so as long as they don't get bit, we're fine.
I don't think my arm would fit in there. I'd help you, but I've been working out.
I've been working out.
Yeah. She's got skinny ass little arms though. Yeah.
That's a muscle.
That's a muscle.
You know how I have muscles? Because I work.
Right.
My ass off. God, this is like mud.
It's just like Bud.
It's thick as mud. I don't know how, but the pipe is like way the heck over that way.
Yeah. It's in there. At least they can see it.
Right.
That, you know, I mean, that's... I'd let them do the rest of that.
I'm going to. I just...
You said it wouldn't be like that had they not uncovered it.
Right. Okay. Want a hug?
Oh, yeah. Oh, oh my God.